Hi everyone, welcome back. Sorry I look a little bit rough right now. Today is Saturday, August 18th, and that means that I finally gonna move into college. Technically, I saw my dorm room yesterday. Yeah, but that's just because my friend, my roommate, she moved in early, and we were rooming together, so, she's my roommate. Anyways, but I went there and I took some stuff yesterday, but I didn't take everything. I kind of just took the small stuff that I didn't want people to kind of mess with, if that makes any sense. Because at my school, there's these volunteer people, that's what my roommate's doing. And they just help you get stuff out of your car and everything like that today. So she got to move in early, but I just moved in some stuff yesterday, and I'm officially moving in today because I needed a truck to move everything. Also, I cut my hair a while back. I know that it's been a while since I've been on this channel, but hopefully soon I'll be able to sit down and kind of explain to y'all where I've been and stuff. And also my voice is kind of soft right now because I just woke up not that long ago and it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna continue getting ready because I am a little bit behind schedule, kind of a lot behind schedule. Should have already left by right now. We're gonna have a 45-minute drive about once we get everything loaded into the truck and my clothes into my car, and then we'll be heading off to college. So yay.
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through, straight to the top, I'm tumbling, my roller coasters.
Probably turn this off. Don't want to get copyrighted. So now that I'm kind of ready, we're gonna do my makeup. I went to go touch my makeup brushes because I washed them all last night and they're all still kind of wet, so that's not good. So I have to blend all this in with my hands. So fun flashback to 7-ish years ago when beauty blenders and everything wasn't really popping, and good times. I'm gonna go into a time lapse real quick.
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through, straight to the top, I'm tumbling, my roller coasters.
So I think that we're done getting ready. Quick life review. The lash Paradise from L'Oreal, I bought it recently just because I heard so many good things about it, and I look really whited out right now. I think this just skirt. Anyways, I mean, for the price, it's pretty good. But in all honesty, I love the way that Maybelline's Lash Sensational works a little bit more than this. So yeah, because I mean, it's a little bit on the pricier side compared to some other things that you can get. So I mean, if you like it, get it. If not, I've tried. Oh, I don't need that. I'm trying to clip my stuff to take. Oh, there's water in this. But I personally don't really like it that much. I can't compare it to Too Faced. I can, but I don't think it compares. That's a better sense. So I'm gonna really quick get all my stuff together from the bathroom, and I just kind of left it here because I needed it this morning, or I used it last night. So yeah, hopefully we'll be loading up in a second. So see you in a second. In here for the last time in a couple of months, because I don't think I'll be coming back home really until Christmas break. So I'm just gonna kind of scope the area, make sure I have everything, maybe make my bed. I don't know, my room's such a mess. ugh, like this summer it was like the longest summer ever, but it also, like, by this point it seems like it's so short. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna just get some stuff together, and I think my mom's loading some stuff into my car. And yeah, we're running a lot behind. It's like 8:50 probably by now. Supposed to be there at 9 because that's when move-in starts and I can get my key and my ID and everything, and just, well, plans just sometimes don't work out. So yeah, I think that I have everything. We'll try next semester to leave a clean room. That's not gonna happen today. So bye.
Smoking and rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my...
Hey everyone, sorry I look like trash and I'm a terrible YouTuber. So one, I look terrible and this is a problem, and two, it is currently 8:53. Which means it's been about 11 hours since I filmed anything. Sorry. Things just kind of got like a little bit hectic when I got here. Like we pulled in and then I had to go like wait in a line to like get my key and my ID and stuff. And then once we did that, I'd go get another line to get my stuff unloaded. And then we got here, and then I had to unload everything because the boxes I had, they're going back, they went back with my parents. And then I went and got, what's that called? Lunch. And then life. I'm gonna talk later, it scares me. It looks so bad. But got lunch, came back here, just continued unpacking. And then, yeah. And then I had to go to band camp. We just did 2 hours and then we're gonna go again tomorrow. But here's kind of an overview of my side of the dorm. I have side B, which is by the window, and then there's a semi-private wall, and then here's my friend's side, my slash roommate. I'll probably end up doing a dorm tour kind of soon. I think for the most part I'm kind of done. I need to hang up some stuff and figure that out, and yeah, so thank you for kind of watching my moving in vlog. It really sucked because I didn't film the actual moving in part. It was just really busy and I was hot, and Texas weather because it rained late last night, so it was humid and it was hot and it just wasn't any good. So give this video a thumbs up if you're in college, you're going to college life. Be sure to subscribe down below and see you in my next video. Bye.